In today's video, we are looking at something incredibly simple, as always. This beauty here, right, look. This is a beef short rib. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. This requires slow and low cooking, okay? So it takes about 2.5 to even 3 hours for it to be cooked. You're waiting for that meat to just fall off the bone. I told you it was simple, didn't I? I want you to check it every hour or so, okay? If the liquid has gone down, add a little bit more liquid into it. I cannot wait to try these later on. Now, go off about your day. Enjoy it, my friends, and I will talk to you later on. Alright, guys, welcome back. It's been about 2.5 hours, and we have got something incredibly special here.
It looks absolutely phenomenal. And look, see how tender it is? I'll tell you, I'm going to enjoy eating these.
Can you see the garlic there, guys? Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze that out into the sauce. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my days. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my God, that is sensational. It's absolutely phenomenal. Thanks, guys.